Hey Maddie, someone stole my skis in Diamond Peak.
I have a solution to your problem. Check it out.
Hi, my name is Madalyn Johnson, and I am the CEO and founder of GP Ski. Track your skiing and track your skis today with GP Ski. Our world currently has 125 million skiers and snowboarders. GP Ski wants to provide a luxury for all mountain riders. It is hard to accept change from something ordinary to the future. Our mission is to help outdoor adventurers explore the world by locating their equipment at all times. We do this by creating unity within our world by offering the opportunity to share adventures with one another with the help of our GP Ski microchip. GP Ski is a business who will be selling our products to top all mountain companies. Each package will be packaged in a set of 2 microchips, one for each ski, with a total cost of $50 for the set. The microchips will be synced to our GP Ski app, which will let the owners of the skis know where their skis are at all times. Also, the microchip will be tracking the speed of your skis, and the data will be saved directly to the app. Ski companies will also have the information to the skis. The microchips will sync to our GP Ski app that will cost our customers either $1.99 a month or $10.99 for a lifetime subscription. This will also make our company a B2C business as well. Our company will be manufacturing the microchips in Pennsylvania with Summit Steel and Manufacturing Incorporated, which is a company that uses recycled metals to manufacture new products. Every product will be packaged in an eco-friendly composting bag by Better Packaging. Our goal is to make an invisible footprint on the plant by making a difference. The chip will need to be inserted into the ski. The ski manufacturing companies that we are selling directly to will decide where they would prefer to have the microchip placed in the ski. GP Ski recommends having the chip placed above the binding on the ski or below the binding. The manufacturing companies will need to create a 1-by-inch square hole to insert the microchip. Once the chip is placed into the square, there will be a solar panel layer above the microchip to provide charging. To make sure the chip does not get damaged, GP Ski decided to use polycarbonate glass to secure the chip into the ski. The first thing on our agenda is to apply for a utility patent for our GP Ski microchip. We want to do this by eliminating competition in the future. And GP Ski would also like to file to trademark our logo and name as well. Our company would like to grow in the future to provide more tracking devices for other sporting equipment. In 2019, 3.2 million skis were sold to customers worldwide. To start GP Ski, we are seeking at least $2.5 million to start our business. GP Ski will be reaching out to top big mountain skiers who are also social media influencers to get them on the GP Ski team. Our website will have a contact us icon, which would have a live chat, phone, and email address. We want to create a great customer to business relationship by offering as much help as we can. We will also be active on all social media platforms to be connected with our customers. GP Ski looks forward to connecting with you. Track your skiing and track your skis with GP Ski today.